Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Back again with another video. Today we're going to be looking at this product right here called the FLYCO hair clip. I got this a month back. There's actually a short story behind it. I think I've seen a couple of these online. Clean up your clip, and we also got this liquid. I think this could be probably sanitizer or that aside. Oh, we got this. So actually this was also inclusive in the box. Okay, let's see. This is quite interesting. I'm actually gonna use this right now. So clip it like okay. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. So this is what the clip looks like. Very portable. You fix this in your bag. Then you also get your charger. So you'll plug this into any power socket and you'll fix this into your clip. So you'll probably have to charge this for about 8 hours to get a full charge, and it will run up to around 45 minutes according to the package. So you got your layers here in case you need to do some layering when trimming off. This is all you need to do. Alright, I'm gonna go to the shower right now and give myself a trim. It's been a while since I last trimmed myself. Haven't been to the salon in a long time. So let's see how this goes. We got this fixed into the power. So tell me guys, do you do your own hair or do you go to the salon? So guys, this is the best I could make out of cutting my own hair. So this is what I got. I think I went a little too deep on along the edge on this other side. But this other side is pretty okay.